We are ready for contestant number 16. From Lace City, Songbirds!
Who's that coming down the street? Who's that baby, ain't he sweet? Who's that guy, oh my, he's so divine, so divine. Who's that, just like a dream, sweetest guy you've ever seen? I can tell you now that he's all mine. He's all mine. Ain't he sweet? See him coming down the street. Now I ask you very confidentially, ain't he sweet? Ain't he nice? Look him over once or twice. Now I ask you very confidentially, ain't he nice? Just cast an eye in his direction. Oh me, oh my, ain't that perfection? Oh my, I repeat, don't you think he's kind of neat? So I ask you very confidentially, ain't he? Oh, ain't my baby sweet? Yes, sir, that's my baby. No, sir, don't mean maybe. Yes, sir, that's my baby now. Wow! Yes, ma'am, we've decided. No, ma'am, we won't hide it. Yes, ma'am, you're invited now, right now. By the way, when we reach the preacher, I'll say, yes, sir, that's my baby. No, sir, not maybe, yeah. Oh, that's my baby now. Oh, that's my baby now. Just cast an eye, just cast an eye, just cast an eye in his direction. Oh me, oh my, ain't that perfection? Oh my, I repeat, don't you think he's kinda neat? So you better watch him carefully, 'cause he's my baby, my sweet baby. Yes, sir, that's my baby now, right now, sweet and how, wow, right now. How can I tell you what is in my heart? How can I measure each and every part? How can I tell you how much I love you? How can I measure just how much I do? How much do I love you? I'll tell you no lie. How deep is the ocean, and how high is the sky? How many times a day do I think of you? How many roses are sprinkled with dew? And how far would I travel to be where you are. How far is the journey from here to a star? And if I ever lost you, how much would I cry? How deep is the ocean? How high is the sky? And if I ever lost you, how much would I cry? How deep is the ocean? How high is the sky?